Do y'all see this wig? Do y'all see this color? Let me. Okay. Do y'all see this? Listen. You feel? I should have probably glued that down.
On my way to you, baddest in the room, wanna give you my love. You know what to do, hit me with the moves, wanna give you my love. Get it right now, I ain't no talking, I wanna show you love.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's the girl Stallicorn. I'm back at it again with another review. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing the Neesha 203 wig. This one that I have on my head is the Neesha 201 wig. And if you want to see the review on this wig, just click the link up top and it will take you straight to that video. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, click the link up top also and it will take you straight to that video. So yeah, guys, if you want to see the Neesha 203 wig like how it shows in my thumbnail, then keep watching. So the wig that we have today is the Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig 203 in the color DR, which is dark roots, I want to say, sienna copper. Now I can already tell from the packaging that, well, not from the packaging, from through the packaging, that this color is about to be fire. This is the long wig out of the Neesha Collection, and I don't know if you guys know, but this is a re-release from 2016, I want to say, where these wigs are actually supposed to be wigs of natural hair textures when they're straightened, I guess. So yeah, now let's just put this on our heads and see what she look like. Okay. Nah. So straight out of the box, this is how the wig looks. It's not pre-plucked or anything because it's supposed to mimic a natural hairline, so it's not plucked like too bad. The wig did come constructed with 2 clips in the front. So there's one on the left, one on the right, and then there's a middle part. And the wig also did have a clip at the back, and it also has adjustable straps.
It's been a long time coming, babe, for your loving me. I'm giving you all night to do your thing and recuperate. Cause you're telling me this how you're brighten my soul. The connection we got won't ever get old. Cause I'm giving my heart and this is your own to keep. It was us from the start. Baby, just you and me. It's been a long time coming, babe, for your loving, babe. I'm giving you all night to do your thing and recuperate. Cause you're telling me this how you brighten my soul. Connection we got won't ever get old. Cause I'm giving my heart and this is your own to keep. It was us from the start. Baby, just you and me. Daddy, 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 daddy. Just you and me. Daddy, 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 daddy. It's December now. It's snowing down. Oh, baby. I can't think of anywhere I'd rather be. It's crazy. You said that you're coming back.
Okay, guys, so this is the wig. Like I said, this is the dark root sienna copper Neesha 203 lace front wig. So let's just get right into the details. All right, so I just want to say, like, this hair is soft. It's really soft. It's a lot for me. Like, I'm a little person, so like all of this hair is kind of like a lot for me. Shedding. Okay, so I did notice when I was cutting the lace, I did see like a little sheddings here and there, but I'm guessing that's from me cutting the lace. So I don't want to give it like, oh, this wig shed so bad. Like, no, I don't want to say that. I just want to say, like, that's probably from me just cutting the lace. Is it big head friendly? So I do remember when I was putting on the wig at its last hooks, it was kind of like okay for my head. Like, it wasn't slack or loose or anything like that. And I have a small head. Like, my head is like a 21, 22. So I want to say, like, maybe, because maybe when you put it on somebody with a bigger head, it may stretch. So that might just be something, you know, for y'all. Tangles. Tangles, 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 tangles. So I just want to show y'all that I am not getting any tangles. No tangles as I'm running my hands through this hair. None, 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 none. No tangles. So that's really good. And this is supposed to mock like natural hair, you know? So that's really good. I do want to say, like, it is a bit much though, for me at least, because I'm a little person. So yeah, like, that's the only thing. But other than that, like, this color, look at that, shedding. Other than that, like, this color is really fire. Like, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this color. It's like a little nice gingerbread spice kind of hair. So I can't say that. Oh, the lace. The favorite thing about this wig is the lace. So the lace is tinted for colored girls, you feel me? So I didn't even have to put like much foundation on it. I just wanted to so I could blend it in a little bit more. But the lace, girl, the lace is tinted. Like, I didn't put any over here, but I don't know if you can see that. That lace tinted for brown skin, dark skin girls. So that's one thing I really like about this wig. So yeah. But other than that, like, this wig is fire. It's fire. Maybe for somebody taller, it may be good. But I'm little and I'm a little person, so I may just have to thin it out a little bit just to get, like, the actual wear of the wig. I'm going to show you how long it is, too, on me. So I'm 5'1" and a half. And this is how long it is on me. That's how it looks. Now if I turn around. Like, yeah. It's a pretty wig. Like, I really like it. It mimics natural girls' hair. And I don't have no complaints about it. Probably if I was going to like a little curl fest or something, I'll throw this on, be like, all right, you feel me? Nah, probably not curl fest. But definitely, like, if you want a little natural hair, feeling yaki texture, feeling wig, this is the wig for you. Like, this wig is cute. This wig is cute. If I had it in a 1B probably, or any other color too, like, I would pull this off. Like, I feel like anybody could pull this off. I look more or less like a ginger with this on, but this is cute. This is cute. Listen, if you want a little ginger spice wig, here we are. This is the wig for you. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. You feel me? Hit that bell so you can get notified on when I'm gonna be dropping more videos just like this one. Also, if you're an R&B artist, a hip-hop artist, any kind of artist like that, even a reggae soca artist, because you can hit me up on Instagram, or you can hit me up on Facebook if you would like for your song to be featured in my videos. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
It's been a long